Guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my Wellness Warrior Happy Planner, and I'm going to be using the sticker book Year to Shine. So I know in my Wellness Plan With Me video for last week I totally botched the whole video. I'm going to use COVID as my excuse because I was sick with COVID when I filmed that video. So the first mess up was I filmed for the wrong week, and then the second mess up, which was really not a mess up, but I planned on using the vertical layout for my wellness planner, and then once I realized that I actually decorated the wrong spread, I got to thinking about it and I was like, you know what, I really like the Wellness Warrior layout. So I guess for the next little while, until I change my mind again, I'm going to be doing Plan With Me's in the Wellness Warrior layout for my wellness planner. So anyways, just wanted to let you guys know that I did realize after I'd already filmed that I filmed the wrong week in the vertical layout. So I didn't even actually use that spread at all. And then so you probably also noticed, and if you've seen any of my other videos for this week, that I'm doing voiceovers. And you know, I've said it in some of my other videos, but some of you guys may not have watched those, that I rearranged my office and took everything out of my bedroom because it was just too cluttered, and I moved everything back into my office area. And so there's not a door on that room, and I guess just for the sake of my sanity, I decided to do silent filming for these videos and voiceovers. So it's a lot more work, and then hopefully for next week I will be back to my normal film and talk at the same time. So I'm just curious, y'all let me know in the comments below if you prefer voiceovers when you watch Plan With Me's, or if you actually prefer for me to talk through the whole video. And I'm pretty sure that I already know the answer to that question, but you know, just in case I've got new subscribers or anybody that hasn't been watching for a while, I'm curious to know what is your favorite way to watch a Plan With Me video. So anyways, this is a fairly short video. I'm probably not going to fast forward through quite as much of this one as I have the last few. I think that the total for this video is only like almost 8 minutes without any fast forwarding, but for right now I am going to fast forward through a little bit of this, play some background music for you guys, and then I'll be back in just a couple minutes to chat some more. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I did end up speeding it up, so it is actually less than 5 minutes now. I don't know, maybe you guys will like these quicker videos. Just let me know in the comments which you prefer better. So I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. Hopefully you guys are too, and you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. It's completely free. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, I hope you would follow me over there. And so that's it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.